Hello, ako po si Teacher Joel at ngayon ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin ang minor scale. Meron po tayong tatlong minor scales. So yung una, yung tinatawag na natural minor. And then yung pangalawa is yung tinatawag na harmonic minor. And then yung pangatlo is melodic minor. Okay, sa ating natural minor, kung mapapansin nyo, all white keys lang. Kasi relative minor siya ng C major. Ibig sabihin ng relative minor, ito yung pang 6th degree note ng ating C major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, since ang ating C major ay all white keys, ang ating A minor is all white keys din. That is A minor or natural minor. And then yung next natin is A harmonic minor. So kukunin din natin yung mga notes sa ating natural minor, but we have to raise up the 7th degree note. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8. Okay? We're supposed to play G, pero dahil na-raise up natin yung G, naging G sharp. Okay, G is the 7th degree. I-raise up natin para maging G sharp and then land to 8th degree. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then yung ating last is melodic minor, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I-raise up natin yung 6th degree note and then even the 7th degree note and then land to 8th note. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, magbibigay ako ng chord progressions para sa ating natural, harmonic, and melodic minor. So, ang ating natural minor is so I have A minor, D minor, E minor, A minor. So, kung papansin niyo all white keys yung aking pinipindot. And then, sa ating harmonic minor, so A harmonic minor, chord progression, A minor, D minor, E major, okay, so para sa ating pangatlo, ang ating melodic minor, A minor. Melodic minor again, A minor. Then D major. And then E major. And then, pwede po natin siyang i-mix up yung ating natural, harmonic, and melodic minor. So, mix up ko po yung kanyang mga chords. At madadagdag din tayo ng ibang chords. A minor, D minor, G major, C major, F major, D minor, E minor, E major. Okay, let's have melodic. So, pwede nyo po siyang pagsama-samahin, i-mix up yung ating natural, harmonic, and melodic. At marami mga songs na gumagamit ng ganyan mga chords. Kung balak nyo mag-compose ng song, pwede itong gamitin. So marami tayong options, marami tayong notes na pwedeng i-mix up, pagsamasamahin. So ayan po ang ating tatlong minor scale. Marami po salamat. God bless you all and happy practice.